Finding your PayPal routing and account number.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a topic that's vital for anyone who uses PayPal: how to find your PayPal routing and account number. Whether you're receiving a payment, setting up direct deposit, or just trying to manage your account, it's crucial to know these details.
What are routing and account numbers?
Routing and account numbers are two critical pieces of information that uniquely identify your bank account. The routing number is a 9-digit number that identifies your bank, while the account number is specific to your individual account. In the context of PayPal, these numbers are needed when you set up direct deposit or transfer funds from your PayPal account to a bank account.
Can I get a routing and account number from PayPal?
Contrary to a common misconception, PayPal isn't a bank and therefore, typically doesn't have a routing or account number like a bank does. However, PayPal does provide users with these numbers if they have set up a PayPal Cash Plus account. This service allows you to hold a balance, earn interest, and use a digital debit card linked to your PayPal balance.
How to find your PayPal routing and account number.
So, how do you find your routing and account number if you have a PayPal Cash Plus account? Here are the steps. 1. Log in to your PayPal account. Make sure you're logging in to the account associated with your PayPal Cash Plus account. 2. Navigate to your account settings. Typically, this is under the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or cog symbol. 3. Find the direct deposit information. Under your account information, there should be an option for direct deposit or a similar phrase. Click on that. 4. View your routing and account number. After clicking the direct deposit option, you should see your routing and account numbers. Remember to keep these numbers confidential, as they can be used to access your account. Remember, this option is only available if you have a PayPal Cash Plus account. If you only have a basic PayPal account, you won't find these numbers. That's it. Now you know how to find your PayPal routing and account number, as long as you have a PayPal Cash Plus account. If you don't, consider upgrading to enjoy the additional benefits. Always remember to keep these numbers secure and confidential. We hope this information has been helpful to you, and we encourage you to explore the many features of your PayPal account to make the most out of it. Happy transacting!